Somizi, he was live with Gogo Skhotheni. They don't even understand each other just because Gogo Skhotheni, she talk what she wants. You know Gogo Skhotheni. You know her character, that she will talk what she wants at that time, and she is a cash talk. She, guys, Gogo Skhotheni, she talks what she feels at that time. Yeah. But Gogo Skhotheni, guys, social media is a playground. Social media. So Missy, he was saying that TikTok is too toxic nowadays. Yes, it's too toxic just because TikTok is a playground. You must know that. So means that people want to be entertained, and people want drama at entertainment because they want to be entertained. Social media is a playground, guys. Social media is a playground. Don't take social media seriously if you are a public figure. Mostly if you are a public figure, don't take social media seriously. Ati, don't take social media seriously just because people, they talk what they want at that time. They will talk, they don't even care. They don't even care. How do you feel? They don't even care, people. Social media is a playground most of the times. Don't take social media seriously. TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, they don't take social media seriously if you are a public figure, just because the people, they talk what they want most of the times.